So how to fall asleep in just 2 minutes. So if you are someone like me, your night usually goes something like this. After a long exhausting day, you brush your teeth, get into your pajamas, crawl into your bed, turn the lights off, and then nothing. And not the good kind of nothing. The kind where you literally 10 seconds ago you felt like you would collapse if you don't get into the bed. And now suddenly you're wide awake, the thoughts are rushing through. So you try to squeeze your eyes shut a bit tighter, or maybe you think, I'm just not in the right position. Yeah, then I will fix it. But it doesn't. The clock keeps ticking and you become painfully aware of every second of sleep you are losing and how much worse tomorrow is going to be. You start thinking how easy it was to fall asleep when I was in the college, or I was in the school, or when I was at work during the day. But now, alone at night, all you are left with is your thoughts and the clock which is continuously ticking. Wait, how was it already been 3 hours? If any of this sounds familiar, then this video is for you, because I have put together some of the best advice and techniques to dramatically increase your chances of falling asleep within minutes. I will start with what you should do before getting into the bed, and then I will show you a technique reported by the US Navy to fall asleep in just 2 minutes. So technique number 1, which can help you to sleep faster, is sleep in a colder environment. Your thermal environment, especially around your head and the body, is one of the most underrated factor affecting not only how fast you fall asleep but also your sleep quality. If you are overheating from heavy blankets, thick pajamas, or a warm room, studies have shown this can reduce both deep sleep and also the REM sleep. To even initiate sleep, your body needs to drop about 2 to 3 degrees Fahrenheit, or roughly 1.5 degrees Celsius. Being in a cooler environment helps that happen faster. The recommended room temperature is around 65 degrees Fahrenheit or 18.3 degrees Celsius. For me, it's around 17.5 to 18 degrees Celsius. Going too cold isn't ideal either, but it's far less disruptive than sleeping in a room that's too warm. So technique number 2, take a hot shower or bath before bed. This sounds counterintuitive, but warmth actually helps you cool down. When you expose your body to heat, blood rushes to the surface of your skin, which is why you look flushed after a hot shower. Once you step out of the shower or bath, that heat readily escapes, causing your core body temperature to drop. That drop sends a powerful signal to your brain that it's time to sleep. Technique number 3, put the clock away. Put the clock away. Get rid of the clock. Continuously checking the time and seeing how little sleep you are going to get only increase stress, and that also increase the stress hormone cortisol. Time monitoring is strongly linked to anxiety and mental arousal, which is the exact opposite of what you want before sleep. If you can see the clock, you will check it, and if you check it, you will be stressed and the sleep is not going to come your way. So no clocks in the room. So technique number 4, minimize caffeine and nicotine. Caffeine from coffee, cola, tea, and even chocolates can stay in your system for up to 8 hours, depending on how quickly your body metabolizes it. Nicotine is also a stimulant, so avoid both later in the day. It's also a good idea not to eat too close to bedtime. Being overly hungry or uncomfortably full can make falling asleep harder. So balance is the key. So technique number 5, exercise but not too late. Being physically tired helps you fall asleep faster, but exercise within 2 to 3 hours of bedtime can actually keep you awake. The same goes for the naps. They can be helpful, but try not to sleep after 3 p.m. or you will be struggling to fall asleep at night. Technique number 6, actually relax before bed. If your brain is still switched on, sleep just won't happen. A common activity for me, reading a book, can be very helpful. Within an hour before bed can really help to send your brain the signal that it's time to slow down. Technique number 7, get sunlight during the day and reduce light at night. You have probably heard not to use screens before bed, and that's true, but it's just as important to get at least 30 minutes of natural sunlight during the day. This helps regulate your internal clock so your body knows when it's supposed to feel sleepy and switch off. Now, after all that, you might still be awake. Maybe you have already done everything on this list and you are lying in bed right now desperately searching YouTube for how to fall asleep faster, which somehow led you to this video that you are here. If that's the case, you have technically broken the rule about using your phone before bed, but I will forgive you this time. That's okay. There is a technique reportedly used by the US Navy that with practice can help you fall asleep in under 2 minutes, almost anywhere. The studies aren't publicly available, but it was said to be used on fighter pilots who needed to sleep quickly and under extreme pressure. After 6 weeks of practice, they claim 96% of pilots could fall asleep in under 2 minutes even while sitting straight up. Here is how it works. First, systematically relax every part of your body. Take a deep breath. Close your eyes. Start with your face. Imagine every muscle slowly relaxing. If it helps, tense your face first, then let it completely relax. Exhale as your cheeks, tongue, mouth and jaws soften. Even imagine your eyes sinking gently into your eye sockets. Then slowly work your way down your body. Tighten and relax your shoulder, then your arms, from the forearm to fingers, then your chest, legs and finally your feet. Breathe deeply throughout, focusing only on relaxation. Once your body is relaxed, shift your focus to your mind. As thoughts pop up about your day, tomorrow or random images, don't fight them. Don't think too hard about them. Just let them pass without engaging. Thinking through movements can trigger muscle contraction, so keep your mind still. Focus on your breathing or visualize a calm place like lying on a sunny beach on a warm sunny day, gently swaying back and forth. If your thoughts won't stop, repeat the phrase, don't think, don't think, don't think, for about 10 seconds. It may sound simple, even silly, but practice it what makes it effective. Most people who say it works reported that it took consistency over several weeks. This isn't an instant fix, but over time it dramatically increases how quickly you fall asleep, assuming you don't have an underlying sleep disorder. Now there is one final tip. If there's only one thing you can take away from this video, it's this one. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every single day, even on the weekends. It's not fun, but your body thrives on routine. Body loves discipline. When your schedule is consistent, your body learns to fall asleep almost automatically when the right time comes in. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, you will really love watching my next video. And please make sure you subscribe to the channel, like and share with somebody who you know is suffering with insomnia for a long period of time. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.